Hey everyone, welcome back to Technify. Today we're diving into something that's sparking a lot of excitement in the camera world. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 has been generating a lot of excitement lately as it gears up to become the next big thing in the world of handheld pocket cameras. With strong rumors suggesting that this new model will feature Hasselblad-branded optics, similar to DJI's top-tier Mavic 4 Pro drone, the anticipation couldn't be higher. The Pocket series has already redefined portable filmmaking with its ultra-compact form and ease of use, making it an ideal tool for travelers, vloggers, and creators on the move. Since the release of the Pocket 3, which delivered solid upgrades and usability improvements, tech enthusiasts and creators alike have been eagerly speculating about its successor. So today on Technify, let's explore what to expect from the upcoming DJI Osmo Pocket 4, and what could make it a standout handheld video camera for both amateurs and pros alike. One of the most intriguing aspects of the rumored DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is its collaboration with Hasselblad. This marks a significant shift in how DJI brings its premium imaging tech to consumer-level devices. While Hasselblad cameras have traditionally been reserved for DJI's elite drones, incorporating them into the Pocket series could mean a major leap in visual quality. Think enhanced dynamic range, richer color depth, potentially up to 16-bit, and overall better post-processing capabilities for your videos. While we probably won't see jaw-dropping resolutions like 100 megapixels, the focus appears to be on smarter color science and user-friendly cinematic quality. That's an exciting move, especially for creators who value detailed and flexible footage for editing and grading. The Osmo Pocket 3 already brought noticeable upgrades in screen size and camera quality, and the Pocket 4 seems set to improve on those fronts even more. According to leaks and reports, we might see support for 4K recording at 120 frames per second, doubling the frame rate of its predecessor. This would offer much more flexibility for slow-motion shots without sacrificing resolution. Thermal performance is also expected to see improvements. DJI is reportedly redesigning the internal thermal system to reduce overheating. This would be a welcome enhancement for users who shoot extended takes or operate in warm environments. Heat management has been a challenge in compact form factors like this, so a thermal redesign could significantly improve the shooting experience. Now, while the larger screen on the Pocket 3 was a welcome addition, it also made the unit bulkier and less comfortable to hold for long periods. Users reported hand fatigue and noted that the rotating screen mechanism left visible marks on the device's body over time. With the Pocket 4, DJI is likely to rework the screen to be more ergonomic and durable, potentially offering a better balance between functionality and form factor. As for battery life, sources suggest that DJI plans to maintain the current capacity. That means you can expect up to around 166 minutes of shooting time under optimal conditions, similar to what we saw with the Pocket 3. It's a balanced choice, as increasing battery size would make the device heavier, and DJI seems to be prioritizing comfort and portability. In essence, the Osmo Pocket may not be a radical overhaul, but it appears to build thoughtfully on the strengths of its predecessor, focusing on meaningful upgrades in image quality, usability, and heat management. So, is the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 shaping up to be the next must-have tool for creators on the go? From everything we've seen and heard so far, the answer leans toward yes. With expected enhancements like Hasselblad image tuning, smoother 4K 120 frames per second video, better thermal performance, and refined ergonomics, the Pocket 4 could solidify DJI's reputation for making high-quality, ultra-portable video gear. It's not a complete reinvention, but rather a series of smart and practical upgrades that meet the evolving needs of modern content creators. The rumored release is set for October, and here at Technify, we're keeping a close eye on what's to come. What features would you love to see in the Pocket 4? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates from Technify.